What's going on, everybody? Today is day 5, I think, and we're at a hash. So this jar is empty. As you can see, it's completely empty, and that's just bad planning on my end. But thankfully, someone in our community, part of the family on Twitch, they reached out to us. They work with the dispensary out here because Hawaii has medical marijuana, and they also accept California's medical marijuana patients and other states' medical marijuana cards. So we are going to go link up and we'll show you some Hawaiian smoke after this, dude.
We just had an incredible experience just now. We met up with one of the awesome community members. I can't believe the support that this person has had over the years for Tim and I. They've been around since we've actually been on the ranch and since King George was alive. So that was really touching, really heartfelt. And they also brought snackies. Let's see what we got in here. Big Island Grow.
Hawaiian rosin?
I'm super excited to figure out what's in here. Oh, we are stocked.
That's fucking fancy. Let's go.
Look at the shout out to the fam. Big love. You know who you are.
We appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
All right, guys. If you've tuned in long enough, you know we are on our way to our night snorkel. This should be a pretty cool experience. I've never done something like this before. The water should be warm enough, even though it is taking place at like nighttime. So we're stoked. I'm stoked. I don't know about you, but woo, I'm pretty stoked. We'll see you when we get there.
Guys, it is about 6:10. We're watching the sunset on the Kona side of the Big Island. We got probably about another 15 minutes we can enjoy this, and then we're going to head to the night snorkel with the Manta Rays. The next clip that you're watching right now, Manta Rays in your face. I lied. It's not a Manta Ray. It's Tim. I think I'm a little blurry too. All right, we just parked. We're about to head over and check in. We got about 40 minutes. We'll show you us getting suited up, and then big giant floaty things in the water.
Not me.
All right, I'll see you guys soon.
Outstretched, looking down through your arms.
Cool.
I'm gonna give you guys pool noodles. Basically, we need you flat at the surface like this. Mantas are coming up from all directions, flipping underneath us.
Cool.
We don't want to have a collision with the rays. That's why you guys are staying flat.
Right.
You would lose that collision, right?
Yeah.
All right, gang, go ahead and get your task.
Excited.
I forgot this is right there. I was like, why can't I reach you? That's weird.
It's so warm. Oh my goodness.
Go for it, gang.
Okay.
What's up, everybody? We just got back from the snorkeling trip with the Manta Rays. I did get sick. We didn't film that part, so bleh. But on a positive note, we do have some cannabis to smoke to help with my illness. Big shout out to Big Island Grow. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be able to have cannabis on the island. So thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. We got some terps right here, and we are going to dive into them tonight. And then tomorrow we're actually going to be live streaming, so hopefully a lot of you guys got to see these terps live on Twitch. And if you didn't, the link is down here. Click it, and we'll see you on the next one.